Hey, this is Dean at Autotech. We're here with another post-repair inspection. This is a 2018 Honda CR-V that the customer brought to us because he was concerned that he had a few issues with his repair. This repair was done at a very large chain shop that surrounds this whole area that all the insurance companies love to send their business to. The repair looks okay. There's definitely some fit and finish issues. The fender gap's off, the mud flap doesn't fit, the grill doesn't fit right, the fender flares popping out on the other side. They did a 5-hour repair to the bumper. The fender was kind of pushed in on the corner, so they replaced that. When the fender got hit, it was pushed into the door. I'm not really sure why they had to put a junkyard mirror on it, but nevertheless they did. And I can see they spray canned all around here. There's all dirt and paint on the mirror, so that looks kind of crappy. On the surface, this job looks okay to an average consumer, but really the bigger concern that any consumer would have is Honda and most manufacturers have safety requirements that they want checked out. In this case, Honda would require a seatbelt inspection, airbag inspection, airbag sensor inspections, and an SRS unit inspection. None of that was performed, or at least it wasn't written on their repair bill. The other things that I would think that weren't written on the repair bill that should have been done is a wheel alignment. The vehicle was hit right by the left front wheel. With the wheel alignment, there's some calibrations to go with that. They also wrote on their estimate time to repair the left inner rail, which is made out of 980 MPa. And Honda's position on that is it can't be repaired, it must be replaced. So if there was damage to the upper rail, they should have replaced it. They also should have measured the structure, which on their bill, they didn't list anything that they measured the structure on it. Again, they should have recalibrated the millimeter wave radar, the camera up front, and the seat weight sensor inside the vehicle. Other than the name and the lights and some soft chip primer that they were missing, it's just overall kind of a sloppy job. But the bigger concern is they didn't perform any of the safety inspections. And my concern would be, and the customer's concern would be, is if you go to a shop that the insurance company refers you to, are they fixing it for the insurance company and doing it the cheapest way possible? Or they have the consumer in mind and making sure they're dotting every I and crossing every T that they should? This is Dean at Autotech. Check us out at autotechcollision.com.